Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled How to Use a Bitcoin ATM. Check this. How to use a Bitcoin ATM explained. In today's video course, you will learn how to use a Bitcoin ATM. How do Bitcoin ATM works? How do Bitcoin ATM really works? A Bitcoin ATM, as the name implies, is similar to a regular ATM, except that it transacts in Bitcoin. In short, it is an electronic machine installed in a physical location that facilitates the exchange of cash for cryptocurrencies. Usually set up as a small kiosk with a screen interface, a Bitcoin ATM offers a convenient way to transact Bitcoin (BTC). Using one is similar to using a traditional ATM machine to access a bank account. Not all Bitcoin ATM are alike. Some models allow you to convert your Bitcoin into fiat currency in order to withdraw cash, while others allow you to insert cash to buy Bitcoin. It's just similar to the way your ordinary ATM machine for cash, for fiat currency works. In all cases, Bitcoin fiat exchange rates rely on the current market rate for Bitcoin BTC, but with an added commission such as ATM fees charged by the ATM operator, on average 8.4%. Some Bitcoin ATM provide a two-way service allowing you to both buy and to sell Bitcoin or other major cryptocurrency such as Ethereum ETH, Bitcoin Cash BCH, or Litecoin LTC. In rare cases, Bitcoin ATM, with or without ATM fees, may also support Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency debit card for cash withdrawal. However, Bitcoin ATM generally only accept cash as a means of payment to purchase Bitcoin, not credit card or other plastic card. So I'm going to explain to you how this works in my future video course. So don't worry, you will understand how exactly not credit card or other plastic card. You understand? Okay? There are a lot to talk about on the topic of Bitcoin ATM. However, in the course of learning and in our future video calls, we will discuss more on Bitcoin ATM. Okay? Take note, guys, in our next video calls, we will learn about how to use a Bitcoin ATM to buy or sell Bitcoin, a step-by-step guide, and much more. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video course, you know what to do, right? Please subscribe, like and share this video course. Hit the subscribe button below and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell. That is the bell by the subscribe button. When you do this, each time I upload a new video course, you will be first to be notified. like this video. It encourages me to put out more informative video calls like this. Share this video with your friends and loved ones who are interested to learn about Bitcoin, the blockchain, and cryptocurrency and how they can make a living from it. Once again, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching this video course to the end. I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon, alright? My name is Joshua, and you can contact me or join my Telegram channel directly. For more crypto videos and lessons, please subscribe to my Telegram channel. That is my Facebook page as well as my Twitter handle. One of the benefits of you joining my Telegram channel is you get to see me trade from Monday to Friday, how I trade, my entries, my exits, how I make profit from the market or how I make losses from the market. You can copy my trade signals for free and apply them to your trading if you want. You also get to see my past video courses on different topics and you can make reference to them easily. And as well, you get to see my future video courses. The moment I upload them on YouTube, I also drop them on the Telegram channel. So it's unique for you to join this Telegram channel, as well as you get to see a lot of done for you services we render, or do it for yourself services we render as well. So there are quite a lot of reasons why you should join me on Telegram and follow me on Twitter, as well as like and follow me on my Facebook page as well. My name is Joshua. One love. Peace out. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
Investment is a security for the future. Visit www.bbclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.